tired. I went to sleep really late. So, I was just looking at the little phone, looking at my phone to see if I had any notifications, any emails. So, yes, I started my morning off at 9 a.m. And that's kind of early, but usually I wake up earlier than that. So I'm just going to go ahead and, start making the bed. I always make the bed every morning. Even though, I might lay back down on it. I just always have to make the bed. It's just something that I'm used to. So then I decided to, just start cleaning my room first. I'm going to go ahead and clean out the closet, take some of the shoes out that I had because I have a bunch of new shoes coming. And I'm going to put them in another room. Just taking everything out of that box because that box is really taking up quite a bit of space in there. Yeah, them white boots, thigh-high boots, I have not worn. Yeah, I'm really trying to think about what I'm going to wear. Even though it's getting hot, I still have to wear them boots because I have not been able to wear them yet. So yeah, I'm just basically taking out everything out of that box. Everything is new, which I have not did a video on them clothes yet, which I wanted to. The first Fashion Nova U-Haul that I did, it was not that. I bought some more things because I was missing a couple of pieces to my outfits.
Oh my God, what happened to Virgie?
Okay, so then my journal, we about to get into this face routine and the stuff that I use. Y'all, I got my nails done like a week ago and they already broke. I'm gonna go get them done, but I just gotta find the right person because I'm not dealing with no ugly nails. With my nails ugly, I'm going to tell you. And Ben's peroxide. I'll probably be saying it wrong, but that's how I say it, so that's what I'm sticking to. So yeah, I definitely use this. Do not use this if you don't have acne. No. I have trouble with acne, so this is what I use. Like I said, make sure when you do wash your face, that you're using warm water, not hot water, y'all. My hair is itching. I don't even think y'all want to see how my hair looks. I'm gonna just put this on for sunscreen protection, and I'm gonna put that on first. And I do very little, not even. This kind of too much for me. I kind of just, take it off and just put that much. Because if I'm out here trying to get my face clear before summer, I don't want that. I said I cannot use anything with oil, so as you can see, it say oil free. So I use this. I got it from Amazon, and it's an eye cream, and I just put like a little. Now these are the little, the eye bags or whatever, the little patches. And this just came out of the refrigerator. You leave them on for like 20 minutes. And the best results is like once you put it, I say put them in the refrigerator. When I first got these off Amazon, they originally are already cold. Like I promise you, when you take these ones out the pack, even when you first get them, the first day you get them, you don't even have to put them in the refrigerator. They are cold. So after I do our bed, my dust be really dry. So you gotta keep the lips. I don't do that crusty stuff. So you gotta put Cormex on. It's time for me to do my hair. I would have to go to the hair store because I do not have any caps whatsoever. I know some people are still waiting on me to do that 30-inch bust down middle part wig, and I just want to let y'all know I'm ready for it too, because the girl is about to hang time. It's time for me to do my hair and do these eyebrows. Okay, y'all, so I'm slapping on that wig, baby, the lace front, and all I'm doing is I'm gathering up all the hair. As you can see, like I said, I had started the wig the other day, but I did not have time to finish it, and I could not find my comb that had the little, the middle pole at the end, so I simply just went in with my lash brush, and I'm using a comb side, and I'm going to part that thing to try to get as straight as possible, get that thing straight, because we don't need no creaky middle parts, man, we don't do that over here. Get it. Let's get that thing. So I'm gonna go in. I started to pluck. As you can see, I did not have a cap on. Like I said, I didn't have time. So yeah, but I'm gonna plucking. Keep plucking it. Get it how you want it. I'm gonna just keep plucking, and we're just gonna get it all together. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on take you there, take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cups overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had this place on take you there, show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on take you there. So yes, I'm just doing it to the other side. The hair just kept getting in my way. It was really irritating me. So yes, I'm just basically just plucking. As you can see, as I'm plucking it, it's getting the darkness is going away. You want it to look like a scalp, like I said in the beginning. Just pluck it, pluck it, pluck it, baby. You can pluck it all day if you want to. Just do not pluck in the same in the same spot. Plucking ain't never hurt nobody. You just want to pluck it. You want to get it together, baby. It's all about getting it together. So yes, ladies, I am going to continue to just pluck, get it how I want it.
I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't if you touch. I need to.
And then y'all, so I had to go back in there with that comb, and I had to get that part a little bit shorter because, baby, it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. I just felt like, no ma'am, you can definitely get this part shorter, baby. Go ahead, go back. Let's do it one more time. So now I'm just going in with the hot comb, and baby, I am trying to get that hair straight. You know, when your hair is straight and slick in the front with them baby hairs, it ain't nothing nobody can tell you. Baby, that hot comb was burning my scalp, but that's the price that you have to pay if you want a slayed frontal, period. You gonna have to get that scalp gonna get burned. So yes, just continue. Well, I'm just continuing to go over it to my liking. I'm gonna just continue to do both sides like that. You know, I had a couple of flyaways, but I definitely have something for that. I'm gonna just be adding water in one clip because, like I said, I don't have that foam with the setting foam spray or whatever. I'm not sure what it's really called, but like I said, I have not had time to go to the hair store. I have been really busy, so I always say you make it do what it do. I promise you, when you get to know me, you're going to hear that almost in every video. I'm going to make it do what it do because you could do anything. You ain't got to have certain stuff to do certain things. You just got to make it do what it do. Okay, yeah, so like I said earlier, I'm just putting water on there because that is what's going to make it, you know, really flat and just make all them flyaways go away because I really wasn't feeling it. So I definitely needed something that was going to make my hair lay down. So now I'm just going back and I'm cutting off that extra little part right of lace that I didn't want to see. I'm sorry that I couldn't show you guys me actually cutting it because, like I said, I started this video the other day, but I thought about it because I just did not have time to actually record the whole process. I wanted to do something different. So I said, why not, you know, take this off my head and put it back on and actually do a real deal video so you babes can see how I slay these frontals. So yeah, I'm just going back in and I'm plucking over that part again because I didn't like how it was. And like I said, it's never enough plucking. You can do it however you want to do it. So yes, as you can see, baby, I have that wig looking right. You have that. You have the baby hairs. You have the middle part. It's all giving scalp. It's giving much real. So yes, and I don't never, you know, I continue to use the hot comb all through there. And yes, it definitely did burn me again. But ain't nothing wrong with it. I'm definitely okay. Okay, so I thought about it like, no, I think I want to do some baby hairs at the bottom. You know how you do the little swoop down there by your ear. It was just giving much like I needed to add some more. So yes, I parted it on both sides and I did the same thing that I did to the first two pieces of baby hairs. You just want to pluck at the line, just pluck, pluck, pluck. Do not pluck in the same spot, please. But it's never enough plucking. It's definitely going to give what it needs to give. So just continue to pluck and get it to your liking. That's all. So yes, your girl is finally finished with plucking it. I plucked it till I couldn't pluck no more. So yes, as you see, I'm just cutting it. I want it kind of, it to be a little bit uneven. So I cut it uneven, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had this take you, show you something, give you more than words. We've had this
So yes, as you can see, your girl have plucked every piece, and baby, it is time to light these edges, and let's go ahead and do it. So right now, I'm just getting all the hair out the way because I forgot that I did not glue this wig down first. And like I told you guys, I do not have a cap, and today I am using Bold Hold. I am basically, I'm just going to position the wig on my head how I need it to be. I put it up to see, where exactly I'm going to lay it at. So I'm just, putting the glue all around the edges or whatever. That's wherever I want to lay my wig, and I'm just going to keep it in line. Not too much on the the hairline or whatever. Like I told you guys, I didn't have a wig cap, and I really just do not have time. The hair stores by me are trash. They do not have the things that I need. It's not giving what it needs to give. So I really have to drive a little bit farther to get things. So yeah, bear with me. So yeah, it's like all I did was just blended all the glue in, and now I'm just letting it dry. Please make sure that you let it dry clear. Do not put your lace on when it's white, because it means that it's not dry all the way, and you might end up with a little whiteness on your lace. It's just really glue sticky, just not good. So right now I'm just going over and I'm just laying down my lace where I put the glue in, and it's dry. Basically just putting the edge of the lace on there. Do the very edge where the hair is. Make sure that you kind of comb out the hair so the hair won't just, when it dries, it won't be stuck on the glue. Just try your best to lay just the lace on the glue. So now I am going in with my favorite spray, the Got To Be Glued. I just say that adding the Got To Be Glue spray, even though you have glue, is what's going to give it the extra melt. Especially if you leave your elastic band around your edges for at least 10 to 15 minutes. The lace is not going to be lifting, baby. I promise you it's going to look like it's coming out of your scalp. It's going to melt, because that Bold Hold already melted, period. Especially if you let it dry all the way. So yeah. Now I'm just tapping it down. I'm adding a little bit more Got To Be Glue spray before I tie it down. So now, baby, we are going to lay the elastic band. We're going to lay it on the edges really flat. Make sure you lay it on there flat. Do not do it that tight. You want to do it flat. Please don't do it tight. It's going to hurt. So I just took off the elastic band, baby. As you can see, it is stuck on your head, and it's giving really much scalp. And now I'm just going back. I'm cutting off the extra excess hair that I don't want on my edges. And I'm just going to go in with them big old flat irons that I got that's too big, that I barely could even get the baby hairs in. And I'm going to just flip them up. I'm going to tell you this now. If you have not started the method of doing your baby hairs and getting the flat irons and flipping them backwards, baby, you're not living, because I'm telling you, it's going to make you not have to sit on your baby hairs for so long. I'm telling you, I did this like a month ago, and I realized you guys are some geniuses. So yeah, she just want to swoop it, swoop it, swoop it. I love it. I love swooping baby hairs. Like, it just does something to me, and it got to be glued. It just makes me happy. So yeah, you just want to continue to do that. So every little piece of baby hair that you have on there, put a little bit, got to be glued on that thumb. I mean on that fingertip. Put it on there, and you want to swoop them baby hairs so you can be slayed and laid. Okay, now when you have your baby hairs laid, all you want to do is get that elastic band, tie it around, keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and when you come back, baby, your edges is going to be not moving, period. So now I am about to get ready to do the wavy look. I don't know if it's called the crinkly or the wavy, whatever, but right now I'm just cutting off that excess lace that's in the back because it's not needed. And make sure that you put that dang on clamp, put it in your hair, whatever. If you have a scrunchie at the back, whatever is there to keep that wig on your head, make sure you use it. It's not there for no reason. So now I'm just going to part my hair in sections, and I am going to get started on the little wavy or crinkly look. And I'm just going to tell you guys this. Every time that I did do a piece, I made sure that while the hair was in the crinkling or whatever, I sprayed got to be glue on there, and I felt like that it gives you the best results because it lasted way longer. Okay, you guys, and I'm not gonna lie, this process did take a couple of minutes, just about like 30 minutes, and I really, I just think that it's only because the crinkler, if you don't leave it on there for at least like 10 seconds, it's not gonna, do what it needs to do. So this video is kind of long, will vary the end part, but I do say that the end results are amazing. I just say that I really like how it came out. You guys are going to see when I get done in a minute how it came out. I really love the style, and I love how the waves came out, especially with doing the got to be glue spray while it's on there and just letting it dry. It's like spritz or whatever. It just holds a little bit more, especially with this Nadula hair. Nadula hair is kind of, it's a very good brand, and I love the texture of the hair. It's more of like the silky type that kind of don't hold curls that much, honestly. this process, like I said, definitely did take a minute, but as you can see, I am finally done with that side. And after I got done, all I did was, I went back, kind of laid the top part a little bit more around the baby hairs, and I kind of bumped up the front because I just, for some reason, I love bumping it up. I love bumping up the front parts of my hair. It just looks so much better to me.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having it back on. Something give me more than words. We can have this place on please be done. Just be nothing to me. I want you to give to me, yeah. Please be done. Just be nothing to me.
Of it. So now I'm gonna just get my makeup like I always do, the makeup that I use. And yeah, I just use this type of makeup. You can get it from Walmart, Dollar General, Walgreens, and I just use this because, like I said, I just put a little bit on my hand. I just want too much. I just kind of, go back. Switch. That's all.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it back
Okay, you guys, so I have just finished with my hair, and now I am about to do my little simple, basic, very basic makeup routine. So first, I just start off with brushing my eyebrows. Like I said, my stuff is not major at all. And I'm gonna start off with baby skin. And this helps with, to, get rid of my pores because I have pores. So I just do a little bit. And I do it over here. Tell on camera like that, but so I just brush my eyebrows like that. They're very thin. Today, I am going to use my little brush, and I am using the powder. I kind of hate it, but I'm gonna try my best, and I just kind of dip it in there.
so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I could do this. You took
It's lighter, you know, even though it's foundation, I'm still gonna use it. It's lighter than, you know, my original color, so I just do that, get down there a little bit, a bit, you know. I say, outline your eyebrow as best as you can. This is a little darker, because that is it. That is the hurry up, let's go. We gotta go. And you wanna look cute still. Just do that. And maybe I can't do that. What the hell? Yeah, and that is it. And you wanna add a little residue to it. I just, you know, go on the side. But I
Take you
sitting on there. So that was my makeup routine. Like I said, very quick and easy. And you don't have to go out and buy the most expensive products. You know, you just make best with what you have. Just, you know, try to go to the hair store, get a little couple of things, and just make it do what it do, wear it your own way, do whatever you want to do with it. So I hope you guys liked the video. I will have many more if you're new. Thank you. Make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe. And do not forget to turn on that notification bell because you don't want to miss a thing. And we out.